Hi guys, this is me again. Oh, you might see this shirt. I'm doing several videos in one day. That's why you'll notice that the shirt is the same. I received my monthly shipment from Ipsy, so I will be unboxing this with you guys. So let me know what you guys think. I want you to comment down below, like, subscribe, turn on your alerts so you get a notification every time I upload a new video. So I'm opening this box with you guys. So when you open the box, the first thing it says is Glam. I have the plus box. You could get the regular one, and there's 3 levels. So I have the plus, and on the inside it says, don't be pretty like them, be pretty like you. So when you open the box, it's got this yellow matting on the inside, very pretty. This is what it looks like when you open it. So I open the box, and the first thing I see is a Find Your Light card. And when you open it, it just has a listing of all the products that come in here. So there is some lipsticks, there's some setting powder, there's some eyeshadows, there's some blush, and also there is this is a peel off mask, and I can't wait to try that. I buy the mask from Dollar Tree. I also buy them for Walmart. You can get several different kinds. They're like $1. They range between $2 and $1. And I have them, and I try to do a mask once a week. So I will be trying that one fairly soon. I also got the Ipsy shipment bag. And when you open the bag, this is what's inside. If you haven't gotten yours and you have a subscription, it should come in the mail. I love this little tassel that's on the zipper. When you open the zipper, it looks like this on the inside, and it does have some products. So the first thing that I pull out is called Lovecraft Beauty.
This is the bedroom that we were just looking at.
So this is a bronzer. When you open the bronzer, the first thing that I pull out, the packaging is really pretty. And this is what the actual box looks like. So this is what the bronzer looks like. So you can't really see because it blends into my skin really well. So this, I don't know how well, oh, there you go. So you can see the color of it. It kind of blends into my skin, which would make it like a natural, which is, I normally, if I wear makeup on my eyes and stuff, it's normally natural. I'm not very good at makeup, you guys, so don't be expecting no makeup tutorials because your girl ain't good at them at all. Also, inside the bag is a Smashbox Studio 24-hour long-lasting hydrating foundation, and it's in the shade 318. And that is the complexion of the foundation. So doesn't really match my skin, but you know, then again, they're just sending you samples of products that they received. So this doesn't really match my skin all that well. If I wore this, my face and my skin would be 2 different colors. But it's still a good sample. If it were my complexion, this would be a good product and would last for a little while. I got the Benefit Gimme Plus Brow. And the color that I got is neutral deep brown. I don't know if you guys can see that. So, opening the product here. Oh, this is cute. This is what it looks like outside of the box. I don't know if you guys can see that. Okay. When you open it,
price of the rehab is going to be $60. Closing costs when we sell are going to be $20. So if we bought the house based on the
This is what it looks like.
And I also ran the comps, upper fours, around 500. So the problem
That's
is
the color.
we come in lower.
Well, how much lower?
It's like a brown, guys.
Might be a little offensive. I mean, the house is definitely in rough shape.
That's the color.
You never know.
So it's like a brown. I guess it would blend in with my lashes if I wore it, so it wouldn't be like some people wear when they wear for the brows. It's like this is a fiber gel. So, but some people they wear that really dark color, so it makes your eyelashes and your eyebrows super dark. When you're supposed to match your color kind of to your hair and your natural color. And listen, I keep telling y'all I'm not about that makeup life. Y'all just don't know. I was very serious when I said that. I also have a deep cleanse pore cleaner called Lemon Verbena Clay Mask by iBalm. This is what it looks like.
Exhibitionist mascara from CoverGirl. What if you could make your eyes look and ears younger? Drop retinol correction eye cream using alcohol. It's clinically proven to reduce the appearance of fine lines by 50%, and it visibly brightens your deep puffs in just 4 weeks. Yeah, we prove our promises.
Comes out looking like that, and it's a mask. So I guess you put it on and you wipe it off.
Because Avalon is a come as you are experience.
I've never tried a cream mask before out of a tube, so this should be different. It says made with lemon verbena clay. It's good for sebum and pore care, soothing care, rice and red bean scrub. Apply an appropriate amount of clay mask onto cleansed skin. After 5 to 10 minutes, rinse, gently massage with lukewarm water. Try it and see how that works. I've not tried this. I've never heard of this company before, but I'm sure that it'll be great. The last thing that's in the bag is a Ofra Madison Miller Blush Sweet Stuff. This is what the front looks like, and this is what the packaging actually looks like. And that's the color. And that was all that was inside of the bag. So I'll put all that back. And it did come also. It also came with a little card. And it just has everything that came in the bag. It's listed and what it's for, how to use it. So we'll put all that back into the bag. Now we'll get to the box. So the first thing I pull out is the Disco Kitten. And this is the mask that I was saying that I wanted to try. This is what the box the cup looks like when you take it out, the container.
Yeah, I can tell you this, we can't do near 375. Let me think about it, I'll call you back whenever I make a decision.
It's brand new. I haven't opened it. I'm opening it with you guys. So when you open it, that's what it looks like. It's very creamy, guys. So I don't want to tip it over, but see, it's very creamy.
After a round of counter offers and negotiating, we finally agreed to purchase the house for $340,000.
And like they said, it is a, it says, I don't know if you guys can see that, but it says, I Do Care Magic Chrome Mask Disco Kitten. So I will also be trying this. And when I actually try it, when I actually do use it for the very first time, I will record it for you guys so you guys can see and give you my honest opinion. And it says Illuminating, I don't know if you guys can see that, Illuminating Diamond Peel Mask. And it's really shiny. It's kind of pearlescent. I don't know if you can see that on my finger.
You wanted to put the laundry in the garage.
Yes.
You can't do that.
Why?
The garage isn't big enough for this to be covered.
So where can we put it?
Ugh, sticky to my fingers.
In the kitchen.
No, I understand, but where's the
So the
best
second one that we have is called
right here?
And it's actually where the
Illuminating Animator Lipstick.
Gas over here for the dryer.
So we'll just enclose it with whatever color cabinet we pick.
You can put bifold doors on it, but not necessary. We'll build a wall here to separate it from the kitchen.
So we have
This is what it looks like. That's the color. And this is the packaging.
Refrigerator, a sink, and then over there's the dining room.
Yeah, it's a pretty small kitchen. Anything else?
Very bright.
Well, if this was an old pocket door,
Right.
so
That color is way too bright for me, but it is very pretty though.
or
And this is what it actually looks like.
$300. Let's open it.
But you know, on my skin tone, it's very light.
Yeah, definitely.
The lipstick that I'm wearing is also, I feel, very light. But you know, I could be wrong. I just wanted to try something different. Like I said, I'm not a makeup girl. I don't normally wear it. So I don't know how to like do all the foundation and concealer and bronzers and highlighters. Listen, I keep telling y'all I'm not about that. I don't know anything about it. Oh, drop something. The next thing is the setting powder.
So I think we need to do something to the fireplace that definitely stands
And it
out.
says
So
it's
I
a
have
translucent
a really
setting powder.
pretty
And it's called Extraordinary. And this is the packaging. It's very pretty. Very, very pretty.
Take this in with me.
When you open it,
Going on to this house.
it does come translucent like this. There is not a,
About it, so I know that we could leave it.
there's not a
Yeah, exactly.
sponge that you use. So I guess you'll use your fingers or a makeup brush if you have it. But the packaging is very pretty. I don't know if you can see it, but the writing is pink.
That I think buyers are gonna love. But just stand back. Just take it in, okay? It's very beautiful.
Can you see that? There you go. The writing is pink.
Stand out. This is a
Okay.
really, like, really beautiful piece.
I'm not gonna lie to you and say I might use this because I don't even use foundation and concealer, so I'm not very good at it.
Okay, thank you. I agree, but it's a little lot better.
So the next thing that I have is the palette by Madison Miller, and I don't know if you guys can see that.
Kitchen design.
There you go.
Yes.
So when you open it, it looks like this.
But don't forget, small kitchen. Over here is actually the dining room.
Alright, I'll let you run with this.
And
I don't know how we're gonna make this work.
I picked some samples. I think going with this box.
this is what it looks like when you open it.
It honestly looks good with either of them,
Oh, you're right.
but. I
And
think
I'll
the light
swatch
wording-
the colors for you.
White.
So this one,
Is this the countertop?
Yeah.
That's really cool.
I think as a kitchen.
That's
goes,
very
it'll
pretty.
look light, white, it'll look more clean and crisp, especially with the laundry area.
You're right. We're gonna have to go white.
Okay, so we're good?
We're good.
Alright, I'll upgrade now.
this matches the lipstick actually.
What? Why's the handle so high?
This door's upside down.
What do you mean?
It's supposed to be that way. Every time we come here, I keep thinking something weird.
Where's the people?
Shut up. Oh my god, I'm right. It was upside down. I knew something was off.
This is very pretty. And honestly, this makes me want to learn how to do makeup. So I can at least know what I'm doing. And honestly, right now, I don't know what I'm doing. But I'm not opposed to learning how to use it. So I'll start watching some videos. I'll start paying attention to what they do. So I can at least know. I have a box. That's a glam box. It's going to continue to have makeup in it. I might as well learn what I'm doing.
Things coming together, but have you noticed something?
So the next thing we have
Area and it's
is the Wonder.
fitting, like,
It's called Wonder Beauty Wondrous Sea Escape. And this is what it looks like.
I mean, this is definitely a
When you
family
open it,
There's
this
a
is what it looks like when you open it.
And there's nowhere to sit more
The
people.
colors are very, very pretty.
And then you have the window. Just imagine trying to fit a table. It's like there's a long way.
This is the blue.
I would. No,
No,
that's
but
not gonna
then-
work.
Ooh, very pigmented.
Door and
You know what?
there's no dining room in the entire house.
4 bedroom, 2 baths.
There's that one. That's like a seafoam green. This one is called Sand Dollar. Kind of blends into my skin. You can't really see it that well, and it's right there. This is a gold. This one is a bronze, and you can't really see it that well. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's right there. And then here's this one. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's like a reddish, pinkish color. I'm wiping my hands on my pants, guys, because I've got a different color on every finger. Like I said, I don't know how to use these products. I really don't. But I'll start watching some videos. I'll start watching some makeup channels and tutorials so I can know what is supposed to be used, how each item is supposed to be used and in what way. And that I don't know. And I know I'm older, but not everybody is very good at makeup. I see some people who wear makeup, who wear a lot of it. Y'all look crazy out here in the streets. That's why I'm not about to pretend that I know what I'm doing, because I don't. I'm not about to fake it like I know what I'm doing. Yes, I'm older, but I don't know what the heck I'm doing. So I'm not going to pretend. I need some lessons, and I need to learn. And I will start watching some tutorials. If you guys have some tips, let me know. I'll be happy to take them. I love this subscription. They have a new subscription called My Brown Girl Box. I think that's what it's called. It's called My Brown is Beautiful, or My Brown Box is Beautiful, or My Brown Girl Beauty Box. I think that's what it's called. Brown Girl Beauty Box. Something like that. I was going to try it, but I saw it in passing on Instagram. And when I went back to try to find it, I couldn't find it anymore. So if I can find that, I'll subscribe to that, because that particular one is not just makeup. That one is hair, makeup, nails. So it's a little bit of everything for everybody. This subscription comes every single month. I just wanted to try it and see what came with it, what it was like, what all was included. I actually love the subscription. I would love to try. There's some hair subscriptions too. I have a lot of hair products, y'all. I'm a product junkie. I don't need any more products. But I figured I could find a subscription box that is makeup, hair, and nails, and then it wouldn't be so bad. So I'll see if I could find the one that's hair, makeup, and nail driven. And I think that's that My Brown is Beautiful box. So I'll try that. If you guys know of any more subscriptions, let me know. If you guys like this video, thumbs it up, comment down below, like the video, share, subscribe. I'll see you guys later. I have some grocery shopping to do. Guys, there's nothing in this house but milk, ice, bread, and water. So I have some shopping to do. I might take you guys along. I also need to go to the post office and pick up some packages, because I have some that have not been picked up yet, and it's been a while. I also need to go to the nail salon, because I'm going to get a pedicure. I was going to get a pedicure and a manicure, but the field that I work in, I use my hands so much. The nails are damaged right away, right? As soon as I get them done, within 3 or 4 days, they're damaged. So I don't get my nails done, but I do get my feet done on the regular. So that I will be doing on the regular. So, and also someone asked me about my braces. It looks like I have makeup on my teeth. I don't. My braces are different colors, guys. So I don't know if you can, like right now they're green, pink, yellow, blue. So it looks like I have makeup on my teeth. I really don't. It's just every time I go, my hygienist puts a different color bracket on the braces. So that's what that is. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Nice seeing you guys. I will talk to you later in the next video. Love you.